Alright, I have here a Goodman unit, and the compressor's not running. So what we're going to do is we're going to check the dual run capacitor, which is this bad boy right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the hot side, goes to the compressor. Then we're going to get our meter out and go to microfarad. And I'm going to read across this, and it should, since it's a 70 and a 5, it should tell me 70 microfarad at the capacitor is what it's putting out. And if you look at the meter, I have 1.4, which tells me that capacitor is bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this out. It's a very common part to go out, especially when the monsoon season hits. You always want to make sure you ground it out so you don't get yourself a nice jolt of electricity. Just go across your needle nose on the poles. Pull these off. Make sure you know what's what. Fan, hermetic, common. We're going to be putting in an OEM capacitor. It's another dual run from Goodman. And then we'll just take our leads here. Get your common leads. Make sure you're always nice and tight. Get your fan. And last but not least, your hermetic, which is your compressor. Everything's nice and tight. Give everything a good jiggle. Get that driver out here. Alright, everything's in there, everything's tight, everything's good, everything's pinched. And now we're going to test it. Make sure everything's good one more time. And just like that, you have cooling.